On the second day of transport strike implemented by various transport groups, calls to held accountable those involved in the anomalous flood control project continues, prompting their condemnation on the rampant systematic corruption in the country. Shai Morales reports.
Pagkakaisa ng mga samahan ng tsuper at operator nationwide or PISTON along with other transport groups has initiated a one-day transport strike today in Quezon City. The transport groups condemn the rampant and systematic corruption in the Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH and continue to call for the abolition of the oil deregulation law and PUV modernization. According to PISTON National President Camo Di Floranda, someone needs to be punished in the worsening case of corruption.
Siyempre, ang ating mensahe sa ating mga public transport, kaya narito yung iba't ibang sektor ng transportasyon, ay magkaisa at labanan itong lumalalang korupsyong ito at ipanawagan talaga na kailangan managot ang sinuman na sangkot sa korupsyon.
He also emphasized that other drivers and operators would continue to operate their public vehicles due to the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board or LTFRB's policy, which prohibits members of transport cooperatives and corporations from joining the strike. Therefore, PISTON urges others to join their protest, highlighting the severe impact of corruption on their community.
Yan po ay hindi maiiwasan na talagang mayroong bibiyahe dahil ang ginawa po ng LTFRB ay pinaghati-hati nila ang sektor ng transportasyon. Mayroong corporation, mayroong kooperatiba at nagkakaroon ng mahigpit na policy sa mga corporation at kooperatiba na hindi sila pwedeng lumahok sa ganitong mga pagkilos. Pero sa atin, tayo po ay nananawagan sa ating mga kapatid sa iba't ibang hanap buhay dahil biktima tayo ng usapin ng korupsyon. Kaya dapat magkakasama po tayo.
If I wasn't president, I might be out in the streets with them.
When asked about PISTON's reaction to President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s statement about potentially joining the protest if he were not president, Floranda responded by challenging the president to take concrete action, such as imprisoning those involved in DPWH corruption.
Manguna siya dahil siya yung, di ba sa isang tahanan, siya yung ama Dapat siya yung naghahabol doon sa nagpapahirap sa kanyang mga anak. Kaya hinahamon natin siya. Hindi man siya sumama sa lunita, hinahamon natin ang Pangulo na habulin niya at ikulong niya yung lahat ng mga sangkot sa korupsyon.
This is Shai Morales for Euro TV News.